Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include air conditioning, alloy wheels, hands-free Bluetooth integration. Come test drive the 2015 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, 4-wheel drive, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels, climate control automatic, AM/FM stereo radio. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.